right? So yesterday I given the one challenge, right? Let me read the challenge once again. Let me read the challenge once again. This is the challenge what I given yesterday, right? I hope you tried it, right? So please check, is it the same thing? This is the yesterday challenge which I given. So I think I explained the problem also. Now I am going to give the answer, right? What the problem is saying is, in the given linked list, one linked list is given. See this one linked list is given, one k value also given, k3. So what you have to do is, every three people you have to reverse. Every three people you have to reverse. Every three people you have to reverse. Every three people. If three people not there, if two people only there, one person only there, keep as it is. Last one, some little difference. Last one, if you felt, right, k is equal to 3, not possible. Less than that is there. Keep as it is. Keep as it is. So I think first three people, if you reverse, 3, 2, 1. Second three people, if you reverse, 6, 5, 4. Remember everyone. Remember everyone. In the first group, after reversing, first one becomes the last one becomes first one. So what you have to do is, right? First one becomes the last one. So first next should be like this. Linking should be done like this. After reversing, first one becomes the last one. So you should do the linking like this. After reversing, 4, 5, 6 becomes 6, 5, 4. 4 to this you have to connect like that. Last one as it is you have to copy. Last one as it is you have to copy. Right? Fine. So I'm going to explain. I think to solve this problem, you have to understand only one thing: how to reverse. To solve this problem, you should understand only one thing: how to reverse it. You should know this, how to reverse it. Other than this, nothing there. I think everyone know reversing is nothing but. Right? So I think first node next is the second node. Normally, first node next will go to second node. Second node next will go to third node. Reversing is nothing but second node next will go to third. No, second node next will go to first. That is the meaning of reverse. You have to do reverse in the k nodes. So you should know, to solve this problem, how to reverse it. How to reverse it. I will explain first to how to reverse it. I will explain first to how to reverse it. Then we will solve this problem. The given problem which we are going, the problem which they are given, we are going to solve it. But first, let me explain how to reverse it. Right? How to reverse it, I am going to explain here. Right? Let me do it. See everyone now. How to reverse the given linked list. I am going to explain. See the answer. First, learn how to reverse it. If anyone don't know how to reverse it, first learn it. Then we will go for k nodes reversing. I will explain. Now I'm explaining here how to reverse what is the easiest way to reverse. What is the easiest way to reverse? 1k here, 2k here, 3k here, 4k here, 5k here, 6k here. Right? So I think let me use some other colors. It's going to be, I think, let me write this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some data. 1k means 1000. Remember, don't think that 1 same. 1k means 1000, 2k means 2000, 3k means 3000, and so on. Last node next nothing, so null will be there. So this is, I think, 2k. Everyone know. Linked list everyone know. 3k. It is a 4k. It is a 5k. It is a 6k. It is a right now. This is the original linked list. So some people are asking, sir, how to reverse? Let me see this one. Everyone listen. How to reverse it? Let us assume that first node. Is head node. I'm explaining how to reverse it. Let us assume that first node is the head node. Take two more people. Head node is the first node, right? So take two more people. one person will give, right? One person will give, right? Before head node. Before head node. One person you take before head node, which is null as of now. One more person you take before head node, which is null. Take two people like this. These are variables, remember. These are variables, right? First node is the head node, everyone know. So before head node, take one person. As of now, no one is there, null. Before head node, which is also null, which is also null. So this is the current status. This is the current status, right? I hope everyone is fine. And one more thing is, if you don't want to move, head node, you can keep some other node also. If you want, right? If you want, or a man. Yeah. Let us assume that is the head node. Careful everyone. Let us assume that it is the head node. So keep head node as it is. Keep head node as it is. If you don't want to move head node, keep head node as it is. Take one more variable. Take one more variable. Current node is equal to head node is. Next one. Next one. Before current. Before current node. Assume null. Before current node. Assume that that is also null. So I took three variable. One is the current node. One is before current node, which is null. One is before current node. Just I took three variables. Now see, loop is going on. Loop is going on. Remember, out of these three people, current node is there in the forward direction. Right? Next one. BC means before current node is contained in the middle place. Before current node contained, I think leftmost place. Right? This is the setup what I'm doing. So the purpose what I'm going to do is how to reverse the linked list. Just I'm explaining to you. Right? Fine. So now see this one. This current node. So first let me check. Wherever current node is there, at that place node is there? Yes. Node is there means current is equal to null means node not there. Current not equal to null. Current not equal to null means node is there. So I will ask him. So let me, if you want, I will write the rough code I am writing since one. While current not equal to null means forward direction is there current. So I'm asking the current node, right? Wherever you are, node is there or not. If you want, you can check. If I say print current, it will print 1000. Print current node, which is going to be print 1000, right? So I given the shortcut C. If you want, you can write current node. C not equal to null means node is there. Yes. Now see everyone. If node is there, if current not equal to null means node is there, then you can reverse. See how they are doing. Everyone listen, see how they are doing. Before current is equal to before current. Next one, before current is equal to current. Current is equal to current next. So like that you have to write one code. Then after completion of this, what happened is it right. See this one. Everyone listen. So this is going to be before current. Before current is, I think it will be still outside. Next one, current will be here. This is the setup. Right? Current not equal to null. Come inside. Do this code. Before current is before current, which is going to be null. Next one, before current is equal to current, which is going to be 1000. Current is equal to current next. This is the setup. Afterwards, you have to reverse. See, this is the actually reverse code. This is the actually reverse code. Who is the middle person? Before current, right? Now see this one. Before current next is equal to. Before current next is equal to. Before current means this one is next is equal to. Before current. It means right, it will goes to null. Before current is null, so it will go. This is the meaning of reverse. Reversing is nothing but keeping previous person is, I think this person is null, so you kept null. Is not pointing anywhere. Those people who are having little doubt also, I think if you continue this one further, you will get the story. Let's continue once again. Who is there in the forward direction? Current node. Do the same story again. Do the same story again. Let me check. Current not equal to null. True. Come inside. See this one. Before current is equal to, right? Before current is equal to before current. What does that mean? So E will comes to here. Before current will becomes current. Current is equal to current next. These three steps are done. Right? Next one. I think before current, this person. Always remember, middle person only you have to reverse. Reversing is nothing but instead of going right side, go left side. That is the meaning of reverse. So what I will do is, I think he is going to previous. Who is the previous? Before current, who is the previous? Before current, which is going to be 1K. When you say 1K, you will go like this. Instead of going right side, you will go left side. Instead of going right side, you will go left side. So this is done. Once again, come back. Current not equal to null. Yeah, current is always in the forward direction. Current not equal to null. Yes. Then once again set the three people. What is the answer? All people shift one position right. Before current becomes before current. So I think what is the answer? It will be like this. Then it will be like this. It will be here. Three steps are over. Last line. Middle person is before current. Before current next is equal to before current, which is equal to 2K. Which is equal to 2K. So he will go like this. Instead of going right side, go left side. Now once again come back. C not equal to null. C not equal to null. Now see the answer. So I think all people shift one position right. Before current right will goes to before current place. Before current will goes to current place. Current will goes to next place. Lastly, this line. Who is the middle person? This one. Before current before current next is equal to before current. So what the answer? This became 3K. So it will go here. It will go here. So same story will repeat. What is the next one? E will become before current. E will become before current. E will become current. So who is the middle person? This person. This person next is equal to before current. It will go to 4K. It will go like this. This is the way how to reverse the linked list. This is the way how to reverse the linked list. So to solve this problem, you should know how to reverse. Some people are thinking that reverse is so difficult. Arey no, yeah. Instead of going right side, send left side. Right? Third node next going to fourth node. Instead of that, third node next will go to second node. Just to do that, problem will be solved. This is the way how reverse is going on. I took the variables and variable names also nice way. One node is the current node, one node is the before current node, one more node is the before current node. Right? So three people are keep on moving. If some people are saying, sir, head node is there, na? Why are you taking one more new node? If you want, you can use a head also. Just I don't want to move the actual one, so I kept head node as it is. If you want to move head node itself, you can move it, no problem at all. So I took three variable, current node, which is the head node initially. Next one is before current, no one, I kept null. Next one I kept before current, no one is there, I kept null. So these three people, every iteration or every round, they are moving one position right. They are moving, all three people one position right, they are moving. The difference between all of them is 1, 1, 1 difference. The person who is there in the forward direction is current node. The person who is there in the backward direction is going to be before current. The person who is there in the middle is before current. So like that going on. Now I think let us assume that last round is going on. C is here. C not equal to null, of course, right? C is 6000. True. Again do same story. I think what the answer? Before current will goes to before current. Next one, right? Current, right? Before current will goes to current place. Current is equal to current next. Current is null outside. Okay, these three things are completed. Now who is the middle person? Before current. Before current next is equal to before current next is equal to before current. I think 5K. We will go here. Yeah, like that all done. Now when you see this, right? Cut. I think while loop will come back again. C not equal to null. No, equal to null. That means reverse of every node is done. That means reverse of every node is done. That means reverse of every node is done. If you observe clearly, reverse of every node is done. Reverse of every node, not one node, two node. Reverse of every person is done because no more node there to reverse. Forward person is current. Current node is saying that I don't have any node. You cannot reverse further. Everyone you done reverse. But remember, after reversing is over, you have to mention, right? Who is the starting of the linked list? I think starting of the linked list is nothing but I think before current BC, because current is already outside, right? Because after reversing, last node becomes first node becomes last node becomes first node becomes last node. So E will become first node, BC becomes first node. So modify linked list, right? Modify linked list. Starting node is BC, right? So you can write lastly one thing. What is the answer? Head node is equal to before current. Lastly return head. So over. And one more thing is this function name is called return. This function name is called reverse. This function name is called reverse. I am writing the function name also. Lack of space I am adjusting. So let me write reverse. Reverse head. End of the story. Lastly, it is a returning address. Let us assume that type is node. Assume. So node. Because of address, star, node star. Right? Using structures, you can create a type. It depending upon programming language. Whichever language you want, you can do it. Every node in the linked list, every node having some type. Let us assume that type of this node is a node. Assume. So it is returning address of a node type. So that's it. It is a reverse. So take three variables. One person contain current node. One person contain before current. One more person is before current. Three people you take. The person who is going in the forward direction is this person. Right? So rightmost place instead of forward, I may say that rightmost place is there in the rightmost place every time. Out of these three friends, is the rightmost place is the leftmost place. All three will be side by side. Is the rightmost place in all three is the leftmost place, is the middle person. Every time reverse will happen at middle only. So because of is the rightmost place, right, he is there in the forward direction, he will give guidance. See, node there. Then he will inform to all friends, can you set your positions? Then after setting position, middle person will reverse it. It is the actual reverse code. So I think at every node, three lines of code is running. So time complexity becomes order of n. Because every node you are doing reverse. First node you are doing reverse. Second node you are doing reverse. Third node you are doing reverse. Fourth node you are doing reverse. You may say that how reverse is going on. Right? How reverse is going, I already explained. Third one, instead of going to fourth one, you will go to second one. This is called reverse. Fourth one, instead of going to fifth one, you will go to third one. Right? Fifth one, instead of going to sixth one, you will go to fourth one. Right? Sixth one, instead of going to seventh one, you will go to fifth one. Next one, second one, instead of going to third one, you will go to first one. First one, instead of going to second one, you will go to previous, no one. So null. At the end, starting node is, I think after reversing, first to become last to become first. Starting node is the last node, means this one. So return BC. BC is, right, I stored the BC in the right head node. BC is what? 6k. 6k I will store in the head. Head became 6k. Return head. Return 6k. Head is always point to first node. So this is the reverse. So same story we have to apply in our program. Same story we have to apply in our program. The only thing is, don't reverse all the nodes. Reverse k nodes. Next reverse next k nodes. next reverse, next k nodes. Like that you have to continue. Same story, right, for every k people, right? So I will try this. I will try this. Right? I will try this. I think I absolutely were comfortable. Now I will try this. Careful. Careful, everyone. Everyone careful. Yeah. First, let me take the linked list. Don't confuse. I hope you tried. If you don't try, you may not get all these things. If you don't try, you may not get all these things. First to try, then see the lecture, easily you will get it. The code which I written, right? Maybe syntax I am not satisfying, one or two small semicolon, right? Comma, maybe I am not keeping, right? Semantics and syntax maybe I am not following, but I written the major logic. 99% I written. 1 or 2% depending upon programming language. Please do some adjustments, whichever language you are comfortable. I can teach in one language, but other people may not get it. So I am giving some rough idea. 99% code I given. Remaining things depending upon language you can adjust it. So concentrate on the logic, what is going on. Yeah. So these are the nodes. So let me write now 1k, 2k, 3k, 4k, 5k, 6k, 7k, 8k, 9k, so 10k. Right? 10k. Let us assume that here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is null. Careful everyone. So it is a 2k. You know very well how linked list look like. 3k. It's a 4k. It's a 5k. It's a 6k. It's a 7k. It's a 8k. It's a 9k. It's a 10k. Lastly null. Now let us assume that k value given 3. 3 nodes you have to spare. Sorry, 3 nodes you have to reverse. K value given 4. 4 nodes you have to reverse. K value given 2 nodes you have to reverse, right? So I think everyone know. So let me try this. Let us assume that k value given 4. Let us assume that k value given 4. So 4 nodes you have to reverse. So some people are saying that 4 nodes you have to reverse. Sir, suppose assume that 4 nodes not there, what I will do? Sir, 4 nodes not there, what I will do? If 4 nodes not there, right, whatever there, keep as it is, don't do reverse. 4 nodes not there. What, right? Then what you do is don't do anything. Whatever there as it is you return. First node is head. First node is head. See the first step. Everyone see this one. See the first step. For everyone listen. For I is equal to 0. Yeah, 1 also okay. It's up to you. I less than or equal to k. I plus plus. Observe clearly. Right? See this one. Every time you have to check one condition. If make sure everyone listen. Before starting, I'm writing head is there, right? So let me write this one. Head, maybe let us write L. L is equal to head. L is equal to head or test. If you want, you can say test. Test is equal to head. Now see what I am doing. Test to, careful everyone now. Test not equal to null. See this step. See this step. Test is equal to null. Means wherever you are initially at the first node. You are initially at the first node. Ask the first person, are you null? Means node there or not there. If node not there, I think k nodes are not possible. Simply say return head. Right? Return head. Because not possible. Right? Suppose in that t is equal to null. T is equal to null means no node is there. I cannot do reverse and all. Simply return head. Suppose node is there. Suppose node is there. Then what you do is, suppose node is there. Else t is equal to t next. Then go to next node. So this loop will repeat k times. right? First time it will take, first time it will check first node is there or not there. First node is not there, return head saying that I cannot reverse the k people because node is not there. Suppose first node is there, then t is equal to t next to, check second node also there or not there. Suppose second node is not there, simply return head saying that, right, I think k people are not there, I cannot reverse. Suppose second also there, then t is equal to t next to, then go to third node. Right? It will continue almost like 4 times. K value 4, it will repeat 4 times. Right? At the end of the first step, you got to know that K people are already there in the linked list. Suppose isn't that K people not there, you will return head. Return means going back. You don't go forward, you will go backward. Return means I think problem is solved. In the main program, it will go, it will say that in the right to the main program, it will go, it will say that it is not possible and so on. Just to check k people are there or not there. That is the reason I kept the name, variable name as test. Test, initially test is a head. So it will ask every person, first person, are you there? No, return head. At anywhere if he got to know, right, I think k people are not there, you will simply stop and you will return the head. Right, you will return the head. Now whenever you come to second step, indication that k people are already there. K people are already there. So you can reverse it. So I am reversing now. I think reverse means previous code. Reverse means previous code. Please try to understand. Reverse is nothing but previous code. So I have to take 3 people. Everyone observe. Before current, which is null. Next one, before current, which is also null. Next, current is equal to head. Right, I think same story, whatever reverse I done, I am doing now. Same story, whatever reverse I done, I am doing now. Everyone observe, take one for loop, because you can do 4 times only, because k people you have to do reverse. So take one for loop, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to k, I plus plus. This loop is going on 4 times. This loop is going on 4 times. Now see what happened. Initially, everyone listen. Initially, current is there at the first node. Initially, current is there at the first node. Right? Before current and before current both are there outside. Now set the position. Now set the position. What is the position? See everyone now. Before current will be assigned to before current. Before current will become current. Next one, right? Let me write now. Current is equal to current next. So 3 people set the position. What is the answer? So let me see this one. Initially current here, before current is here outside, before current also outside. Initially, all 3 people. Now because of this code, all people will shift one position right side. Now see what happened. So this will become, right? Everyone listen. This will become before current. This will become current at the end of the one iteration. At the end of the one iteration, before current becomes before current, which are null. Before current will becomes current. Current is equal to current next. Remember always, middle person only you can do reverse. Middle person only you can do reverse. I already explained the reverse. I don't want to spend more time on the reverse because I already done. Afterwards, this is the major code. Who is the middle person? Before current. Before current next is equal to before current. So I think this person, it's a 1k, it's a 2k, right? It will go to before current, which is null. Because after reversing, last person become first person becomes last person. It is null. It is null. It is null. Now this loop is going on further. This loop is going on further. One time reverse is done. One time reverse is done. After one time reverse, if you observe clearly, current will go to second node. Before current will be there first node. Before current there at the 0th node. One round of iteration is over, but you have to do k time. K value 1 completed. Let me write now. K value 1 round over. Now k value 2 I have to start. So start now. K value 2. 2 less than or equal to K, fine, perfect. Now again these three people will shift one position right. What the answer is? The before current. It is a before current. It's a current. Afterwards, before current next is equal to before current. You know very well reverse, right? It will reverse. So instead of going to second node to third node, second node to first node, it will go like this. To 1, first node reverse done. K is equal to 2, second node reverse done. K is equal to 3, third node reverse done. K is equal to 4, fourth node reverse also done. Remember, reverse is always done before, right? Before current node, because before will be here, current will be here. Middle person only you can reverse every time. So, and remember, fourth node you are reversing means current node is there at the fifth node. So 4 times you done the reverse, 4 people are reverse done. Current node is there in the fifth place. Current node is there in the fifth place. Please try to understand, right? So, and before current will be there at the fourth node. Before current there in the third node. Like that, all the things are going on. So at the end of this code, try to remember, right? 4 nodes are reverse done. 4 nodes are reverse done. Please careful. Right? Now just I want to explain one important thing. Please try to understand everyone here. Please try to understand everyone here. Everyone try to understand here. Just I want to convey one important thing. It's the current status. Everyone done reverse. 4 people done the reverse. K value 4 means 4 people done reverse. So like that, all the people reverse done. So what the, you may say that, sir, what is the purpose of first step, sir? Sir, what is the purpose of first step? You may ask that. You may ask what is the purpose of first step, sir? Right? Just identifying K people there or not there. Okay, K people there. Then what is the second step, sir? K people reverse. So every K value, one node will be reverse. Every K value, one node will be reverse. But remember, K value 1 over means current will be there at the second place. Because one node reverse done, first node reverse done. K value 2 means second node reverse done, but current will be there at the end of second place. Okay, right? I think 4 rounds are over, 4 nodes reverse done. So current will be there at the fifth node. I think everything is fine. But remember, K people reverse done. K people reverse done. See this one. K people reverse done. To this reverse story, right? Is the first node. Is the first node, because after reversing, first becomes last becomes first. Is the first node, is the last node. Right? I think some people are asking, what is the name of this person, sir? What is the name of this person? Remember, it is a BC. It is a BBC. Right? And one more, is the head. After reversing over, he will become first node, okay. He will become last node. Remember, next 4 people also you will reverse. Careful. Next 4 people also you will reverse. Next 4 people also you will reverse. Right? So I think this group should be combined with this person because he is the last person. He is the last person. You may say that how these people will be done using recursion. See what I am doing. Everyone remember this function name. Because of required, I am writing the one function name. I am adjusting, don't worry. Right? So let us assume that this function name is reverse k. Reverse k. Reverse h and kp. This is a function name. Right? Now see what I am doing. Reverse. Careful. H place, what should I do? Current. And kp. So current is there at the fifth node. So this recursion will take care. For other people, this recursive call will take. But some people are asking, at the end of the day, this will give some answer. At the end of the day, this will give some address where it should go. Linking will be done. Right? I think is the first node, is the last node. Last node of the first group. Last node of the first group. Right? Next one, first node of the second group should be linked. So what is the answer? This is going to be head next. This is going to be H next. H next means this next is equal to this reverse. Second group you do the reverse. whoever is the head, they both will be connected. Right? That is okay. That's okay. You will connect and everything fine. So this will take care further story. Previous things will take care about the before story. Right, fine. Now let me ask you once more, what you have to return at the end of the story after doing this much work. You have to return first node address. Who is the first node? This person. What is his name? BC. So let's see this one. At the end of this, I have to do this also. At the end of this, linking all the things are done. So right, let me write now. Everyone listen. BC. Right. Head is equal to now BC. Return head. Modified linked list. This is the head. So you may say that what is the BC? BC is actually 4K. So 4K will goes to H, so H becomes 4K. 4K will be written. End of the function. End of the function. First, what is the purpose of first line? Checking K people are there or not there. Okay, okay. Next one, what is the purpose of second one? K people there, reverse them. Okay, right? I think reverse is over. K people reverse done. Then what about other people, sir? Sir, K people you done the reverse. What about other people, sir? Other people recursion will take care. He will take care about other groups. Same thing will happen for other group. Same story. Same story for others group. For other groups. Same story for other groups. Right? So how the linkings are? First group, last person will be linked to. Right, will be linked to second group first person. Right, see this one. I think first group last person is H next is equal to, so this reverse function will return second group first person, so they both will link. Now who is the right, who is the total answer? First person, I think BC. So BC will goes to H head place, return head. This is the program. Don't worry about the syntax semantics. And one more thing. Reverse function, reverse K or K reverse. K reverse. Here also you have to write K reverse. Or reverse K, if you want to write reverse K, you can write. Reverse K. It is the recursive function. Right? So let me write the ending stories. Let me write the ending formalities. So this reverse function started here, ended here. Next one. Reversing of K people started here, ended here. For loop, right? Ended here. Checking started here, ended here. Right? So I think let me give the major lines. 3. It is a 3 lines program. To be frank, it is a 3 lines program. Other than executing small, right, one or 2 lines of code every time, we are not doing anything. So everywhere some constant work is going on. You are doing almost like at every node reverse going on. So I think time complexity order happen every case. Space complexity other than some local variables, we are not taking anything. So extra space is constant. Right? That's it. So I think I explained A to Z which is needed. It's one of the nice problem because people know how to do reverse. How to do reverse of K people. But if you want to do that, you have to verify K people there are not there. Some people are asking, sir, how to reverse that? I explained that also. Sir, what about data types, sir? If you want to take care of those also, you can take care. It is finally returning address. Address of which type? Let us enter some type node, like integer, character, float, some type. Every node having some type. Right? Fine. I think, and one more thing, all nodes are same type, similar type. Every node having same type. No, like that. If k value 4 given, 4 times it will repeat. K value 10 given 10 times. Some people are asking, sir, these people not K, na? What will happen? If you want, you can verify. If at all K people not there, see, return H directly. Nothing to do. Return H. At anywhere he got to know K people not there. Return H. So I used some shortcuts, so please take care. So for this challenge, right, this challenge, right, challenge 2. So this is the answer for this. So reverse I explained, followed by reversing K people. Perfect. Perfect. Anyone having any small doubt also? I think you can try in the comment section. We are going to help you. And one more. If you are, right, I am suggesting to everyone. Don't cry. I am suggesting to everyone, please don't cry. Please don't cry. If you are zero in DSA, if you are in zero in DSA, if you are zero in DSA, trust me. Within 2 months, I will make you hero in DSA. I done many people. Not you. Many people I done. Right? The only thing is this DSA course you can take. It is a 2 months course. I will explain A to Z to you. See, one problem I explained this much clearly. If you learn from basics, right, starting point to ending point, right, 2 months if you listen, total DSA you will get. It is my promise, it's my responsibility. I will make you hero in DSA. If you want to grow in DSA, best course is this one. Me and my team is there. Richa madam is there, Mithali madam is there, Nidhi madam is there. They all are Fong developers, Fong or man, whatever it is. They all are right Fong developers. Right? I have 15 years of experience. I guided 25 lakh people. My team will help you like anything. You will become master in the DSA. Right? So this course, go to ExamPreptool.com. Right? If you want, you can take this course. You can become a DSA expert. Right? Fine.